Hi everyone, National Wireless here. Today we're going to do an unboxing and spec video on one of Hytera's latest releases, the HM652. As you can see, this is everything that comes in the box. Aside from an antenna with a connector and a bracket for the antenna, this is everything you will need to be operational. Let's start with this little bag of goodies. Inside is the pivot mount screws, mic bracket and screws, as well as a fuse. Next up is the pivot mount bracket. This bracket has a variety of screw holes to ensure for ease of installation. The radio can easily clip in and screw into the side section, and the grooves allow for the radio to pivot. The power cable is pretty standard. On one end you've got the positive and negative to be connected to a power source. It has 3 meters of cable, and on the other end is the connector to go directly into the radio. One of the things that makes this digital radio stand out is the controller fist mic. This allows the radio to be tucked away while you hold all the power in your hands. It has a decent sized LCD screen, channel selector buttons, as well as 2 programmable buttons. It has a decent built-in speaker, and on the side it has a large push to talk button. On the back is the clip for the fist mic bracket. On top of all this, it is lightweight with a 2.2 meter cable, and the overall design feels comfortable in your hands. Now onto the HM652. On the front, you have your connector for the controller fist mic, as well as your power on and off button. On the side, you can see how it connects to the pivot mount. And on the back, you have your antenna connector, which is a BNC connector, your power cable connector, your accessory connector, as well as a GPS connector. This radio is very durable. Rated at IP54, it is designed to withstand harsh temperatures and vibrations. It offers reliable communications due to its receive sensitivity and will deliver clear and loud audio even if the signal is weak. If you have any questions or wish to know more, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.